actually, so before I get into that, Manuella, that name literally translates into God with us. So I could have taken the easy route and given her an Igbo name that directly translates into that. So the Igbo version of Manuella is actually Munachi. So mo means me, na means with or together, and chi means God. So Munachi means together with God, or kind of like that same meaning, God with us, right? But I wanted to be a little bit more creative with this one. And so I'm gonna give Manuella, so what she said about Manuella was that Manuella wanted to be a millionaire, right? So I'm gonna give Manuella the name Ego Amaka. Come on, say that with me. Ego Amaka. Good.